I think it's important for all of us to find our own place in the wilderness, and it's not the same for everyone, but I think it's just so important for us to get in touch with that.
This is where I want to be on my days off and my time off. I just want to be camping or being out here in the element.
The ability for everything to literally melt away when you're staring into the fire, even if you're not speaking or in the mood for communication, is a really powerful space to be, and it's actually a really nice reset.
Cooking over the fire, bringing people around it, slowing down, connecting with the moment and connecting with each other, connecting with the food that's on your plate and who grew it. Just be in reverence and awe of nature and just enjoy like the beauty and the silence.
When I was a kid, I grew up in Montana, and it was just something that, every weekend at every opportunity my family would go camping, and it was always just a part of our community. On the full moon of July, we would all just meet in the national forest and build a bonfire and have a potluck. That party has been going on for over 30 years. I got to be the main cook because my dad was actually the organizer for the year. We did a jambalaya, and it was jambalaya for 200 people, and I think I was 19. It really just sealed that I want to be around fire and I want to cook food for people. We find it's this age-old thing of breaking bread with friends. It's really like as soon as you sort of sit down with someone, you're sharing and passing, like it makes for more conversation, it makes for better memories. It's really something that's very important to our business and our philosophy.